Hello everyone, welcome to the Hindu editorial reading and vocabulary program. Today's Hindu editorial title is Point of Disorder. The suspension of 12 opposition members of parliament from the Rajya Sabha for the entire winter session of parliament, evidently an extreme step by Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu, has turned the spotlight on the issue of disruption of proceeding as a parliamentary tactic. The government and opposition should try and work a way out of this situation, but that may not resolve the underlying affliction of perennial conflict between the two sides. A guiding principle of parliamentary proceeding is that the majority, that the government will have its way, and the minority, the opposition, will have its say. This principle has been observed in its violation in India for several years now. As the principal opposition in the years leading up to 2014, the Bharatiya Janata Party so disrupted parliament that a majority government was rendered dysfunctional for years. Since 2014, in power, the BJP has tinkered with parliamentary process in a way that the opposition has been pinned down. Bills are passed in a hurry and even amidst din. The scrutiny of bills by committees and debates are few and far between. Also, the decision to suspend members for their conduct in previous monsoon session at the beginning of new session seems excessively punitive. This is no defense of disruption in general or the behavior of the particular MPs, but the punishment is only worsening the conflict and not facilitating debate. Parliament is the platform where the executive is held accountable to the representatives of the people. That is where people's representatives raise matters of public concern and seek the government's attention. The trend of weakening that process in the name of efficiency is not merely undermining the spirit of democracy, it is also landing the government itself in a difficult spot as the mayhem that followed the hurried passage of three controversial farm laws last year shows. Parliamentary debates should not be viewed as distraction or waste of time. They are a barometer of public mood and must be respected as such by both the ruling side and opposition. Disruption as a brief, momentary reaction to a situation that demands debate is understandable. But as a sustained strategy, it is self defeating. The absence of opposition will only leave the government even more unchecked. It was the BJP Arun Jaitley who theorized on the legitimacy of disruption as a parliamentary instrument. It is time to shun that idea. The government must make amends to restore the function of parliament by deferring to parliamentary mechanisms and also through informal channels of communication with the opposition. This is all about reading the highlighted words. will be explained their meaning as well as pronunciation one more time. Suspension means preventing or stopping something to happen for a time being. Evidently means clearly. Spotlight, getting or to give public attention. Disruption, creating problem to stop. Proceedings, a series of events are happening in the tightly controlled environment. Tactic, a plan or a strategy to achieve a goal. Resolve, getting an answer. Affliction means pain or a harassment. Perennial, present throughout the all the seasons, are happening a regular time, a recurringly happening. Rendered, provide, it may be service or a thing. Legitimacy, being a according to the law. Amends, changes. Differing means being not okaying. Facilitating means providing. Tinkered means change minor repair to increase the performance. Pinned means sticking. Amidst, in between or surrounded. Din, extreme noise. Punitive means punishment. Worsening means becoming worst. Executive means a person or authority who has a right to plan and execute or implementing that they are called as executives. Undermining, becoming less value. Mayhem means extremely in order, utterly disorder, or little order. Barometer, an instrument used to measure the pressure of environment. Sustained, extended time or long durations. Theorized, theorized means proposing a new concept. Shun means avoiding. These are the different words which are seems to be important in the article. Hence, I presented them. Hope you all enjoy this article. See you all again with one more article. Until then, bye bye. See you. If at all you like it, subscribe for regular updates. Thank you.